Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Alawat World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you download and play Minecraft free on your computer in 2025 easy step-by-step guide. So for this case we will go to the Microsoft Play Store. So this is the Microsoft and here the Microsoft Store, and I will write or copy paste here. So here the my Minecraft launcher, so click here and see this is the Minecraft launcher free, so get it is working. So if you want to change the installation dates, so we will install this game to a new folder. Also we can do the thing new folder, see. So and ask many options, so I can change, so no need, I will do the drive cd. So if you want to check default settings, so you can also do, so click, it is working, and installing, we can see it easily. See, now we want to open this thing, so paying, this is come. So for this case we will go to the Microsoft account and continue. And give any kinds of thing and let's go, click here. Let's go, launching game. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.